Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export or save videos once you're done editing. So to just save it, you can just close the app and it's gonna be saved because CapCut saves automatically, so you don't need to press Control S or there is no save button. It just saves it automatically. But if you want to save the video, you're just going to have to export it, and it's going to save as a video and not a project, if you understand what I mean. So just type in the name and export it to wherever folder you want it to export. Do these little settings and just press export and you'll save the video. But if you want to save the project, just close it and it's going to save automatically for you. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.